Brad has $1,500 to invest in an account paying 6% interest, compounded semi-annually. How long would it take for the account to grow to $5,000? Round your answer to 2 decimal places. Now, the first thing we got to do is figure out which formula we're going to use. Now, we're talking about compound interest, so we'd use the compound interest formula. The next thing we got to do is figure out what are we trying to find. In this case, it looks like we're trying to find t, the time. Now, from this problem, we know that P, the principal, is 1,500. R is 0.06. M equals to 2. And A equals to 5,000. We next plug in what we know into the formula. So we would end up with the exponential equation 5,000 equals to 1,500 times the quantity 1 plus 0.06 divided by 2 raised to the 2t. Now first we could simplify what's inside the parentheses. Now the next thing we could do, we want to get that exponential by itself, so we would divide both sides by 1,500. And this would simplify to 10/3 equals to the quantity 1.03 raised to the 2t. Now that we got the exponential by itself, we take the log of both sides. Now remember, it doesn't matter if we take the common log, the natural log, or the log of with any base. So just for simplicity, let's use the natural log. Now that we take the natural log of both sides, we could use one of the laws of logarithms, which allows us to bring the exponent down to the front of the logarithm. Now remember, the natural log of 1.03 is just a number. You'd plug it into your calculator, it would tell you the value. And so 2 times it is also just a number. So we're going to divide both sides by 2 times the natural log of 1.03. What we next have to do is plug this all into our calculator. So t will be the natural log of 10/3 divided by 2 natural log of 1.03. And when you plug it into the calculator, here's what you would get. Rounding to 2 decimal places, we end up getting t is approximately 20.37. So writing this as a complete sentence, it would take about 20.37 years. So Brad better be patient because he has to wait a bit over 20 years. And that is our final answer.